Here are 3 dinosaurs mods. Dinosaur mod. Camarasaurus dinosaur. Can I kill Melon? Yeah. Okay, this one. Can I kill him? He'll copy you like this. Okay, cool. I've used this jaw. Next one. Dinosaur. Okay. Is he really dinosaur? Really dinosaur? You can't even little. Okay, just use this jaw. Gosh. Take your brain. Take your brain. Okay, you just killed Mel in one shot. Next one. T-Rex. You really T-Rex. Can he kill my melon? Oh, those that's not enough. Often he smashes the pieces. Well, this is free dinosaur mod was good and fire.